dress.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with My Shiny Wigs today. Okay, first time working with this company, so I'm super excited. This is a packaging, pretty small, not much going on, but it's branded My Shiny Wigs, and it has their social media listed as well. There's not much. What I got is a My Shiny Wigs bonnet, really pretty, you know, lavender color. It's really nice. It's branded again. And I got a wig cap. Always good to get a wig cap in the packages. All right, so today I got a 613 bob, guys. It's summertime. I'm gonna feel like every once in a while I need to be fun, step out, be bold. I'm gonna be wearing it as it is, as it came in the package. It looks really nice and it's not too yellow. I love when in the initial state of the blonde of the 613 here isn't too yellow. Lace portion is a 13 by 4 lace front. It's a full-on lace front and it has 4 combs inside, adjustable straps in the back, and an extra elastic band for more security. So in terms of the hairline, it is lightly plucked. You could go in and pluck it more if you like. I'm super excited to go ahead and put this on because, you know, that bob vibe is just always nice, fun, and, you know, it's giving what this season is all about, you know. Summer, you know, stylish. It's giving. So I'm happy to go ahead and just slip this on. Let's go. So I did go in and I sprayed a little bit of this like high beam intense temporary spray on hair color on the knots, and I use a little bit of foundation on it, just a tiny bit. I find that whenever I use just foundation, sometimes I don't know, I don't like how it sticks. So I did that. I'm using the extra elastic band that came within the wig itself. So because I find that, like, if for me personally, whenever I'm supposed to, if the knots don't come bleached on the wig, which most of the time I find that, like, you know, like how you get pre-bleached and tinted like laces for like regular 1B hair or crystal laces, I find that they don't do that a lot for 613 wigs, and I don't know why that is. So you have to personally, if you want to do all of that, if you want it like that, you have to do it yourself or bring it to the hairstylist to have them do it for you. So yeah, but I think that would be a good thing for them to start doing. You know, I'm gonna use my Got2B to install this. So I find like when you do that to the roots now, the melt down and into the hairline just look more natural. So I love doing that.
Yo, dress.
So you see that, guys, the lace is very, like, so far it has melted down really nicely. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I had to do that with the lace before installing. If I had went ahead and just installed the wig as is, the lace would have like a casty white look, and I don't want that. So now that you see that, I cut off the excess and I'm just tucking it back down at the very edge. With my Got2B, I'm gonna do it to the rest of the wig. and then I'll come back when I'm done with that. I haven't laid the sideburns or anything as yet. I will proceed to do so now with my gel. Okay, so this is how we're looking, guys. I straightened the hair and then I bumped the front a little bit. What I can tell you right off the bat, the quality of the hair itself, you know, it's processed. This is very processed hair. As you can see, it's a 613, so you know, it's expected that some shedding will be there. It's a little bit more than I would like. You know, this is just my honest opinion, and I just wish it had more body. Like, you know, I wish it was a little bit flowier, but it looks good. Like, just looking at it, like, it looks good. I feel like this type of look is bold, as I said before, and it's a very occasional look for me, at least. It's not every day that I get up and put on a 613, so I feel like it's perfect for that kind of vibe. If you have a special occasion, if you're doing a photo shoot, yes. Everyday wear, I feel like it's as I said, it's shedding a little bit more than I would like, and I just wanted I wanted some more movement with it, but it's styled perfectly and stuff. I must say, in the picture it looked really nice, and so, you know, that's why I chose this one. Actually installing it was like standard for me. As I showed you guys, there are a little bit of tweaks that I had to do to get it to my liking, but I'm just giving you guys the heads up, so in case, you know, you go ahead and you get this wig, you know what you're working with, and you can't say petite, never tell you what it is. Okay, so yeah, that's how this wig is. I'm going to put all the information for it down below in my description box. If you guys are interested, you know, if your birthday coming up, if a photo shoot coming up, and you want that vibe, you want that look in a bob, you want a different color, you're trying to be bold, yeah, you could definitely try it on. You see, I did a little flip over. I think it looks so cute with the way I did it there, and then I kind of, you know, did a very slight bump on the side. So that's pretty much it for this installation today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, let me know if you like how it came out in the comments, and also don't forget to stay tuned for my other videos. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. That's where all my lifestyle content is. Oh, by the way, guys, we're bringing back regular, like, other videos over here again. So, you know, apart from hair videos, so I need you guys to drop your suggestions for what you want to see over here. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.